Dan warned his children about several unclean spirits that will cause their demise. Dan said to his children to keep the commandments, statutes, and laws of the Most High. All of the patriarchs of our nation warned their children to keep the commandments and laws of the Most High. The Israelites never seemed to listen to the ancestors when they say obey the laws of the Most High. Dan said to his children, in the last days, the Danites will depart from the Most High. The Danites will provoke the Levites to anger. The Danites will fight against Judah. Dan said they would not prevail against Levi and Judah, because the prince over Israel, the holy angel Michael, would guide them both.